While we did not expect this, as we started out the day searching, we came upon an old cemetery in the middle of nowhere. Gravestones from 1847, 1807, and even 1803. We were amazed. We began metal detecting the surrounding area full of old cellar holes. Unaware of just what we were about to uncover, then we got it, our first target. Our excitement grew as we dug to uncover our first find of the day, a square nail, not bad for a first find. Then we found a scythe. We were so excited. But then just as we were about to be done for the day, our next find blew our minds. We couldn't believe it. A silver-plated spoon, definitely a fruitful day. Subscribe for daily nature videos.